Dear students, in this video we are going to see Dueteromycetes. These Dueteromycetes are also called fungi imperfecti because perfect stage or sexual reproduction is absent in this class of fungi. Those fungi are included in this class in which sexual reproduction is absent or is not discovered yet. When the sexual forms of this class of fungi were discovered, they were moved into right class ASCOMYCETES or BASIDIOMYCETES from Dueteromycetes. When you observe the mycelium of this Dueteromycetes, they are septate and branched. And when you look into the matter of asexual reproduction, it takes place with the help of conidia. Some members are saprophytic or parasitic. A large number of members of this class are decomposers of litter and help in mineral recycling. Example, Trichoderma, Arthrobotrys, Dactyla. Let us see some more examples that come under Dueteromycetes. Number one is going to be Alternaria solani, which causes early blight of potato. Next one is Colletotrichum falcatum, red root of sugarcane. Conidia of Colletotrichum are sickle-shaped. Symptoms of red rot disease appear over midrib. Next one, Helminthosporium varizae, which causes brown leaf spot of rice. This causes severe famine in Bengal in 1942 to 43. Another one, Ticca disease of groundnut is caused by Cercospora personata. Next, early leaf spot disease of Arachis lipogia in groundnut is caused due to infection of Cercospora personata. The host of Cercospora personata belongs to family Leguminosae. Next one, Gibberella fusariae, Buccaneers disease or foolish seedling of rice. Rice blast is caused by Pyricularia varizae. Trichophyton or Tenia pedis causes athlete's foot disease. Pilobolus is a coprophilous fungi and Trichoderma is the source of an immunosuppressive drug cyclosporin A. Keratophilous fungi causes hair loss. Phytoalexins produced by plants in response to fungal infections or phenolic compounds. Let us see some of the diseases caused by fungus. First one is ringworm. Ringworm caused by fungi of genera Trichophyton, Microsporium and Epidermophyton. Ringworm is contagious disease. Ringworm is one of the most common infectious disease in men. The symptoms are appearance of dry scaly lesion on skin, scalp and nails, lesions accompanied by intense itching. Heat and moisture help these fungi to grow, which makes them develop in skin folds as groin or between toes. This disease transmission is by acquired from soil or by using clothes, towels or comb of infected person.